I mean, the elements that we're putting together for Elevated Legacy, there's literally hundreds of different elements that have all come together, right, to wrap it into one single place for you guys to know this is it, right? This is where you go, and that's the beauty. And then Kevin, who's putting all this together for us, my vision, his vision, and everything, he's going to be training and teaching you guys how to do that, which is going to be very cool.
That's really cool.
One of the neatest things that I remember growing up with you, Mom, was the positive affirmation.
Oh, yes.
So you used to make me write down notes and stick it on my thing, and you still do that to this day, right?
Yeah.
So back at my house, it's like, put this on your thing, put that on your thing, right? And then even for this business, we did the same thing.
Right.
So positive affirmation, if you just keep repeating yourself, to what you want in your life over and over, your subconscious can't even control, and then 2% of your brain you can actually control. So if you constantly use your conscious and throw good thoughts into that 98% that you can't control, you're naturally going to have to do it, which is so cool.
Right.
But what affirmation wise, what did they teach you back in the day?
Your conscious mind goes to sleep, but your subconscious mind never goes to sleep.
Exactly. So the 98% you can't control always is rolling.
It's always rolling.
Yeah.
So affirmation's key. An affirmation is anything you say or think. So if you think a positive thought, then you're going to draw positive things to you. Say a negative thought, negative things are going to be drawn to you. So you'll have to change the crease of your brain, right? So a lot of what we normally say and think is quite negative.
Always, yeah, in this world.
It is.
Yeah.
And so, you may not even realize it. And they say that a lot of people, it depends on who they're hanging out with too. So you've got to write you a positive affirmation of what you want. So we teach you that in the 10 principles.
Yep.
We don't have time to do that now in the overview, but I'm going to teach you how to write one so that you draw to yourself what it is that you want. And then we'll take it one step further and we'll record it so that at nighttime while you go to sleep, whatever you record into your subconscious mind is what your subconscious mind will automatically go about the business of making sure it happens the next day. Now, back in my other career, before my other career, I had 2 careers before now. I ran an IBM System 36. So any of us that run a computer, then we have to program it to get the information out of it that we want. So it's similar, your brain, I should say, is similar to a computer. Whatever you program it to do, it's going to do. We called it in the computer world GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. So I want to leave you with that thought, GIGO. So if you're not affirming positive affirmation, so if you're saying, oh my gosh, I'm so broke, or oh my gosh, at the end of the week, I barely got enough money left to live on, then that's going to be your story for your whole life. Instead of, I've got all the money I need. At the end of every week, I've got an extra $1,000 to $2,000. Doesn't that sound different? Your subconscious mind then goes about the business of finding
Head on over to elevatedlegacy.com after you watch this video and get registered for our next live event where we're going to give away $20 every 20 minutes to people just like you for simply showing up, participating, and giving us feedback to help our website that we created for you serve you even better. And also on our live events, we also talk about how you can get a piece of the 20% profit share that we give away every single month to anyone who elevates their life with elevatedlegacy.com. Yes, as in you can earn money from our company as if you are an owner of the company. I'll say that again. You can earn money from our company as if you were the owner of the actual company. All right, so this actually means that you can earn money without making a single sale that month, even if you were on vacation playing with your family and friends. I know that sounds crazy, but I also know that a lot of you guys are probably tired of bothering your family and friends or even promoting online, but still want to make money online, right? And so this is exactly what our company profit share plan was created for. So if you guys are just seriously sick of promoting online, bothering your family and friends, and doing the marketing, but still want to make money online, this is exactly how you can finally start making money online with us, all right? And you're going to see a little bit more details on the live event, of course. But you have to also understand that we're not going to be doing this for a very long time. This is for the people that believe in our vision before everyone else. So there is going to be a point where you are no longer going to be able to participate in the company profit share. All right. And so at the time of shooting this video, our company is actually in pre-launch right now. So I can promise you, after the pre-launch phase, it's probably going to be to the point where you're not going to be able to participate in the profit share plan any longer. The reason why we're doing this really is because we want to reward those of you who see the vision before everyone else and essentially make you the co-owners of the company by giving away 20% of our company to people just like you. And also, here's a screenshot of a previous company that I owned, and yes, you can see up to $50,000 days here and over $1.2 million inside of just this merchant account alone. We had almost 10 merchant accounts inside of this company, and for the purpose of you understanding how this profit share works, about $500,000 of that $1.2 million you see in just this merchant alone was about profit. So in a profit sharing plan just like we have for ElevatedLegacy.com, 20% of that profit would be getting distributed evenly to everyone who was a part of our company. So that would equal hundreds and even maybe thousands of dollars in your bank account without you even doing a single thing but signing up for the vision of this company and participating in Elevated Legacy, helping this vision move forward. So my vision for Elevated Legacy will be doing no less than $5 to $10 million per month in profit and having 20% of that go out to people just like you who believe in our vision. So that is why we have this profit sharing plan. I want to hook you guys up who believe in the vision first. Now, legally, I cannot guarantee or promise to you that you're going to make a ton of money or all that good stuff. You know, this is all numbers that I've done in the past. I can just tell you what I've done in the past and what we're going to be doing in the future on my vision, right? So that's really the way that you have to understand this. Now, here's what I want to also let you know. ElevatedLegacy.com is the 4th business that I have outright owned, and it is now the 10th business that I have been promoting the same way that I've been doing it, except this is on a whole new level. Now, I can also tell you that all of my businesses have become multi-million-dollar producing businesses just simply because I know the formula and I have put the time and energy in doing it. It's like anything in life. If you have somebody that's put the time and energy and know the formula, they're going to do it. It's like baking. If you know how to make great cookies, you're going to be able to make great cookies. If you know how to make great cars, you're going to know how to make great cars. You know, so it really comes down to that. So I want to just make sure you guys understand this profit sharing plan before we really take action on this business, because it's in pre-launch right now and I know it's going to become a multi-million-dollar business once again, and this is the most effort and money I've ever put into a business, so I know this is going to be a very successful business. So make sure you show up to the live online event, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get a piece of our new company's 20% profit share plan that we are going to be giving away to people just like you. Now, what I can promise you is that I've never seen another affiliate program in the world do this, and I'm probably sure they will never do anything like this, and they would probably all call me crazy because, you know, we could have kept that 20% for ourselves, but we're actually out here to help everyone win with our new company. And here's the deal, business stats show that 95% of the world who start a business see no return at all. So that's the whole deal behind this profit sharing plan that we're introducing to the affiliate marketing world and just the world in general, is because we are going to completely flip those numbers around really fast. So just allow us to help you finally win online. I know so many of you guys are struggling out there trying to win online. So this is something I really wanted to do so we can flip all of those negative emotions out there in the affiliate world into positive ones, and all those losses into wins for you in your life. So step number 1, comment below to get in the cash giveaway for this video that you're watching right now. Step 2 is share this video with your network. And step 3 is obviously you need to go to ElevatedLegacy.com and register for our next live event, so you can learn how to get in our company profit share plan and learn about how ElevatedLegacy.com will completely elevate your happiness, money, freedom, peace, joy, balance, fulfillment, confidence, and most importantly, help you finally create stability in your life.